how to remove email address on Facebook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete an email address that is currently on your Facebook account. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Facebook app, then select the menu button in the top left next to Facebook. Once in the menu, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Once in Settings and Privacy, select Settings. Then just select Accounts Center at the top. And in here, select Profiles and Personal Details. You'll then see contact information at the bottom. Go ahead and select that. And then all you need to do is select the email address that you want to delete. Once you select it, you'll see Delete Email. Go ahead and select that. And then just confirm you do indeed want to delete this email. Read through this. It's important information before you do it. And then select Delete when you're ready. Give it a second. And it'll let you know that you've deleted your previous email. So select Close. And keep in mind, you can also add an email here if you have a new email address. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.